Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable membership email notifications on Uber account. So first, we're going to go to our Uber app. Then once you guys are here, going to click on the account section found at the lower right corner of the app. Then next, we're going to click on settings. Then I'm going to click on communication. So next, we're going to click on email. Then there's the membership option. So we're going to turn it on. So from now on, membership benefits and loyalty rewards will be sent through your email. So make sure you subscribe for them as well. So this is a helpful setting. You guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. It's such a helpful traveling app. It's used worldwide. We also have different videos in our How to Tutorial playlist. Make sure to check that out as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.